The Skin Gig Relationship Toolkit, brought to you by Senkofa Counseling. Today's tool, personhood versus behavior. Personhood versus behavior is incredibly important in human relationships because the reality is we're going to screw up. We're human. It's what we do. But if we haven't separated out somebody's personhood from their behavior, it's very difficult to address behaviors that are not okay because we feel like we're saying terrible things about the person. Well, I hate to be awful, but I really feel like if we're addressing a behavior, we're not saying that's a terrible person. This isn't about whether this person is terrible or not. Let's just assume this person is fairly decent, or at least this person is just as human as I am. So separating personhood and behavior is things like you watch somebody do something absolutely awful, right? And you want to say, oh my God, what a disgusting human being. What is wrong with them? Separating personhood from behavior would say, that was really ugly humaning. The person I understand is a human. They're going to make mistakes just like I'm going to make mistakes. That behavior was not okay. Now you can meaningfully address the behavior. And sometimes the behaviors are so not okay, the way that you address it is to get as far away from it as possible, right? You can say, well, I really love this member of my family, or maybe I don't love this member of my family, but I do appreciate and understand that they do the things they do because they're human. And I can have compassion for the person who's stuck in that behavior. But I'm also going to make sure that I'm nowhere around them because that's just not okay with me. I'm not saying, oh my God, you're a horrible being. I'm never going to see you because blah, 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 blah. We're saying, okay, you do you. I'm sending you love and compassion from a distance, but I will be doing it from a distance. I'll be over here. Yeah. Or say that it's a relationship where you can address a behavior that's not okay, or it's necessary to address a behavior that's okay. Address the behavior. Love and support the person. Address the behavior. Honey, I love you very much. And I understand that you're just as human as I am. But when time after time after time, you don't do the thing that you say you were going to do, it really hurts me. See, I'm not demeaning the person. I'm not saying you're a because you didn't do the thing. I'm saying I understand that you're human. I understand why you didn't do what you didn't do. And it's not okay with me. I'm asking you to do better. I'm not saying you are not good enough. I'm saying this behavior isn't working and it needs to be changed, or I will make a different decision that you may really not like. So that's personhood versus behavior. Apply it liberally. Share it with your friends. Share this video with your friends and whoever else. And come on back because I've got more tools. Let's all get healthier.